So first to start off, I have some hair here by, I believe it's X-Pression, and it's the X-Pression Kinky Curl Braid, and it's in the 24 inches and in the color number 1. I thought it was pre-looped, but it's actually not. So this is the hair that we're going to be using today to create this crochet wig. And it's going to be really simple, so you don't need many things. You're just going to need the hair. You're going to need some kind of item that mimics your head size. I have a mannequin head, but I seen one girl use a vase. That was very out there, but I recommend you use a mannequin head. And you're going to need something to mount the mannequin head onto the table that you're using or the flat surface that you're using to create the wig. So I bought 2 netted wig caps from eBay. I bought 2 because I wanted the wig to be more reinforced. I didn't feel like it would have been a good idea to just use that one wig cap, so I went ahead and put 2 wig caps on the mannequin, so it could be more secure. So of course, while you're crocheting, you're going to want to keep in mind that you're going to want to pay attention to where the hook is going to make sure that it goes through both of the nets. So I'm right here, you can just see me fitting the cap onto the mannequin head, making sure that the bands are lined up properly. And yeah, just doing that all around the perimeter. Also, I took some thumbtacks. Of course, if you have pins for clothing, that would be your best bet to use. But I took some thumbtacks and pinned down my band to the mannequin head so that it doesn't move or slide while I'm crocheting the hair. This is what we're working with. Right now, I'm going to use some of the loose pieces of hair from the pack for the baby hairs or the front of the unit. And also I'm going to do the same thing. On the back of the unit as well, so that I can get, some updos going on. Also, I'm only working with 2 packs of hair, so I'm trying to split the hair as much as I can so I can finish this unit all in one night without having to buy any more hair, and also using the little scraggly ends for the baby hairs for the front and the back. So far, I'm feeling really good about it. I feel like that is enough for the 2 packs of hair that I have cut in half. And when we're done, I will show you guys the finished product. That I have started on the baby hairs of the unit, and I just took really small sections of the crochet hair and crocheted the front of the unit to give the appearance of baby hairs. And I went in on the netting cap, so those first 2 rows, and crocheted in those extremely little baby pieces of hair. That is really optional. You guys do not have to do this step because majority of you guys, they're not even going to see your edges at all. So this is really just optional. If you're somebody who plans on doing updos, this would be a good idea for you so that you can conceal and make it look more realistic with the wig. But this is definitely optional. You don't have to do this at all. Also, I took some thumbtacks. Of course, if you have pins for clothing, that would be your best bet to use. But I took some thumbtacks and pinned down my band to the mannequin head so that it doesn't move or slide while I'm crocheting the hair. So here you can see me putting the hair on the hook, and I'm putting on my latch, and I'm pushing the hook through the net, and I latch the hair onto the hook, and then I close the latch and then pull it through the net. Now, if you're a beginner, you may be like, what? But you need to just pay attention to the video and you'll be able to understand. So here you can get a really good in-depth look at how I'm crocheting the hair. I'm ambidextrous, so you can see like me using both of my hands, in some odd manners to get the hook to go through the net. But this is the best angle for you guys to really understand exactly what it is that I'm doing. And I'm gonna let you guys watch me crochet the hair, and I'm gonna stop talking and I'm just gonna let you guys listen to some awesome vibes and some awesome music while you guys watch me crochet the hair, all right? So I'll be back on in a minute. You got to let it go. 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 I'm ready to let go, go. I'm ready to let go. I'm ready to let go, go. I'm ready to let go. I'm ready to let go, go. I'm ready to let go. I'm ready to let go. You got to let it go. So I'm done pretty much with the full unit, but I am going to go back in with some leftover hair that I have from the packs and fill in the front area right here. You can see it's pretty light right there, and I'm also going to fill in the nape of the hair. I believe this is called the nape if I'm not mistaken. But I'm going to fill in this area a little more, and also I'm going to add some natural looking like hairs to the back of the unit so that if I want to wear my hair up in a ponytail I can. So and also if I have more hair left over I'll add that to the perimeter as well. So I'll be back when it's all finished. Okay you guys, I'm coming on here looking a mess, but we're gonna try on this wig. You got to let it go. 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 I'm ready to let go, go. I'm ready to let go. I'm ready to let go, go. I'm ready to let go. I'm ready to let go, go. I'm ready to let go. I'm ready to let go. You got to let it go. Thank you for tuning into my video. This is the finished product of the wig that I made last night, and I'm just gonna come on here and just talk to you guys about the hair and give it a little mini review. I know I haven't had it for that long, but I already have some thoughts about it. I will have to say that I'm very disappointed in the hair because I've been wanting this hair for over like maybe 3 years now. And now that I finally got the hair, like, it feels nice. It's nice and soft. You know, to me it gets away with feeling like real, but it sheds a lot. Like, I wasn't even basically done making the wig and the hair was already shedding. A lot of scraggly ends, and then when you try and comb out the hair, it just gets extremely poofy, but not in a cute way. Like, I tried to comb out this area and it just fluffed up so crazy and looked like static. You can like see the difference between this side and that side. This side is a little more flat. This is the side that I combed out, and I know whenever you comb out hair it's gonna get a little poofy, but my god, like, it really just kind of like changed around the way the hair looks. Another thing that I have to say is that those packs come with such a small amount of hair. I thought it was going to have more hair in it. That's why I only bought 2 packs. If I would have known that the hair comes with such a small amount, it's not a lot of hair in that pack at all. I would have bought 4. So because of that reason, there is a few gaps in the wig, but you probably can't see it because I've managed to conceal it really well. I'm going to insert a clip of the back of the wig so you guys can see what it looks like, and there are some gaps in the back of the wig. So eventually, I mean, I like how it looks right now, but eventually I am going to have to buy maybe 2 more packs of this hair and, you know, finish it off to give it a little more body. I like my hair to be big, but not too big, you know what I'm saying? So I'm pretty happy with how this hair looks right now. I'm not, you know, I'm not upset about the volume. It's more so the fact that there's gaps in the back of the wig, but it gets covered up by all the other hair. I just would never buy that hair again because it's such a small amount of hair that comes in the pack. And I'm used to crochet hair coming with a good amount of hair in the pack, you know what I'm saying? It's 24 inches, but there's not a lot of strands that come in it. I split the strands twice and then 4 times, so that's how I was able to, you know, fill in the wig and make sure it looked good and stuff like that. But other than that, I really do like how the wig feels and the curl pattern. I like the curl pattern of the hair. I did cut a bang, and you guys will see that in the clips. I did cut a bang, and something was telling me not to cut the bang because now it kind of gives it a different look than what I was going for, but I'm okay with a bang. I already have one that's going to be like a flip over, so yeah, I'm really happy with it. I'm gonna wait until I make my next wig, until I get my next mannequin head. That's really what I'm waiting on, because I don't want to have a wig and not have no head for it like how I have with the Outre one. I feel like it looks real, you know. It's a good little show pony hair until my hair, you know, gets longer. This was my first time making my own crochet wig. I have made my own wigs in the past, but this is my first time making my own crochet wig, and I'm really in love with the 80s vibe. I'm an 80s vibe girl. I love big hair. Eventually I am gonna try like a straight wig, but right now I'm really loving this curly hair. If I do try a straight wig, it's probably going to be pink or red or one of those fun colors or something like that. Please leave your comments below and tell me what you think of the wig, tell me what you think of the hair. If you've ever bought this hair, how has it treated you and how long did it last? Please go ahead and leave your comments below. Make sure you thumbs up this video and subscribe to my channel and turn on that notification bell so you can be notified of every upload that I have. And I love you guys. Stay blessed. Happy holidays. And thank you for watching my video. Bye.